Feeling for you. Doesn't work right. Don't care about that. Studied pa ko lang may report. Susulan ko guys. So, good afternoon everyone. We are the group 4 and today we will present our design thinking defined stage, our purpose, our design thinking defined stage, our design thinking defined stage. Ito mag-download ito on Spotify. And today we are going to present our design defined stage, design thinking defined stage. So good afternoon everyone. We are the group 4 and today we will present our design thinking. Yes. Ayun na eh. Na-label ko. And today we are going to present our design thinking defined stage. So, mo ni among title sa i-report karon which is light pack. So, meaning ng light pack is kanang gaan gud nga backpack. So, kini among i-present kay based ra pud ni sa among na-observe og need sa among na-observe og challenges. So, kini among i-report based ra pud ni sa among na-observe sa among survey. So, good afternoon, everyone. We are the group 4. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. We are the group 4, and today we are going to present our design thinking defined stage. So, this is our title of our presentation for today. So, ang among i-report lang day karon guys. So, among i-report today karon guys is based on our observation which is katong the survey namo and yes. Mura. Sayan mo kayo. Kita pa maglisod.